Okay, well, it works. You can see here it's pouring out some pretty good steam. No, don't get too close. It's hot there, baby. It's hot. Put your hand up here. Feel it? Yeah, that's warm air, isn't it?
I want to see my hand.
Yeah, well, don't get too close. It'll burn you, okay? So, it works. So, I figured I have another one. So let's go ahead and just make in case you guys have one or one similar to it, we can go ahead and show you how to disassemble the damn thing and somewhat clean it. I mean, really in all actuality, you need probably about 5 gallons of, what is that, CLR? That calcium lime rust remover. But, hey, I'm a cheap ass. I just take shit apart, clean it, put it back together. If it works, it works. If it don't, oh well. So, always got to give the stink eye out there. Anyway, this is the Walmart brand Sunbeam. If I remember right, last year I think these sold for somewhere between $40 and $60 a piece. I think they were about the mid model. That's all the stuff we were looking at. So if you want to look at the tank, yeah, it's got some hard water stains on it. Bottom of it's pretty good. So and then we get down to where the water pools up in here, and hey gosh, yeah, we don't have quite as much as we did in the other one. But, yeah, so, first we had this deal right here. And, I know last year, it wasn't feeding right, putting water in. And we had to loosen this up. And this little deal turns. Oh my God. Oh my God, Becky. Look at that crust. It is so thick.
Well, why are you talking?
Huh? I'm talking to my phone, baby girl. Look at all this. That is just downright disgusting. And we drink this stuff.
Well, this is open on the...
Look at this, baby girl. Look at that. That's in the water. Ew, yeah, we drink that stuff. So, yeah, that's just plain disgusting. So, what you want to do is, take a little screwdriver, maybe, one of them little dull chisels or something you got to, most of it flakes off pretty easy, probably take you a good 30 minutes at least, and you gotta get down into here and clean all that, make sure you get that out. And then you want to soak it in some water, get some more of that shit out. Remember, get down here, because it goes all the way through here, so the sand and sediment can drop out before it comes in here into the heating pool. Okay? Then, you'll have 2 screws here, and try to keep these separate, because they all look different on the last one. There's one right here, one right here, and one right here. And this thing will just pop off like that, and you'll be able to get down farther into it. So, I just kind of show you what's going on in here. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video a little bit. Here's everything from the last one. Your mommy here? So, I'm going to clean off my tray here. So we'll compare. Are they the same? Or Does one have more than the other? I think we ran them both about the same. Imagination of kids, I swear. So, yep, we'll go ahead and get all this cleaned up, and we'll kind of show you what's going on in the process here. So, I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a little bit. Alright, well, I've got most of it. All the big, thick stuff uncaked. Yeah, if you can't tell, I'm a Mark Martin fan. Hey, gotta say something about that Viagra car. It always drove hard. Anyway, that's just what I got out of here. And all those little chunks. So, yep. So, we'll be putting this in the water to soak. Let it soak for an hour or two. To have some baking soda and vinegar. It wouldn't hurt to go ahead and put that in there with it. Alright. So, I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if I can't read this. Yeah. Here under a coffee pot. Ew. Well, looks like that might be the next cleaning up project. Okay. So, take a patented screwdriver here. Remember to keep all this separate. As far as this sunbeam model, got one up front here. Actually, it's in the back. But to me, it looks up front right now. And just a short, little itty bitty bastard. Okay, see, you got this shit just dripping off here already. And you got two in these recesses. And a little bit more pain in the ass. They're closer to the heat source. And sometimes they get a little irritating. I hate when they always want to fight to the last. Okay, so just for reference, I'm trying to show you the difference of these screws here. One in the back is a short little one. The one here, a lot longer, skinnier. Just kind of keep a mental note. Keep them separated. You old millennial kids won't even know who that is. The sad part is, I know the parody song better than I know the original one. Bonus points for anyone that can name both. Who wrote the parody and what was its name, and who sung the original one. You gotta keep them separated. That's the only clue I'm gonna give you. Alright, then you got these two little screws back here, and they look about the same as the ones in the bottom here. So I think we can safely assume that they will interchange, but I'm always a stickler for detail, so they're in a different spot, so I put them in a different spot. Okay, one more. Sorry guys, that is a little bit longer than I was wanting, but you should have spent the 20 minutes with me cleaning that friggin' crap out of there. This in here is going to be a good 30 minutes because of all the super hard crusted stuff that's on this heating element here. This one don't look as bad as the last one. Last one had 1/4 inch worth of crap on it. We still recording? Yeah, we're still recording. Oh, God. Okay. So, it comes apart. Be careful, there's wires back here. So, you gotta make sure, because you're gonna have some stuff going in there. You gotta. So, you'll have crusties all in here. You gotta watch out in here, make sure that there ain't no anything else. Clean all this up. Other than that, get her cleaned up, put her back together. And I'll give you just a brief deal of what it should look like when it goes back together. So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video again. Okay. Crazy Vapor's done. So, I didn't get that one quite as clean as I wanted to get, but, you know what, it's getting close to dinner time. Crazy Vapor ain't had much to eat today. His insulin's kicking in. Sugar's a little bit high, a little bit low. Yeah. So anyway, there's round what? Round 2? There's round 1. I don't know, just by looking from both of them, it looks like maybe round 2 had more. But I really didn't clean it out as good. And it still looks pretty good, but like I said, if you want to think you're doing a good job, give it a bath in CLR. Because, I mean, yeah, I just got tired of looking at limescale and rust and done with it. Don't want to see it no more. So I do apologize for the video being 12.5 minutes long. So yeah, you want to make sure that all your screws are put back in just right. And then when this goes on, see how that goes? And gotta make sure that she's in all the way. So in. There you go. Make sure it's cattywampus to it. So anyway, have a good day. Crazy Vapor's done. Crazy Vapor's gonna cook some dinner. And I may go by the local tweaker house and, you know, crush this up a little bit more and, you know, maybe put it in a Ziploc baggie and put it on this front porch. I don't know. What do you think? Think that kind of looks like old peanut butter shit? I don't know. Crush it up good enough. They'd never know. They snort and smoke the hell out of that shit. Anyway, bye.